I'm sure you will agree with me. It is okay for you to have your normal job, which 9 to 5, 8 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever it is, and also have a particular side also that also brings some money to you. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be telling you three of the best side also which I've known or which I've also tried in the past few years and have actually helped me. So this particular or this size also I'm gonna be mentioning, some of them will give you even more than 900, which you actually saw on my thumbnail. So can give you even up to 1,000, 2,000, as long as you are ready to do the work, because it's not like make money online. It's not like just click something and then you get money. Of course you have to do some jobs, but this job might just take you 2 to 3 hours out of per day or per week, and then you can actually earn by doing this. So my name is Akere and welcome back to my channel. And the first site also which I'm going to be mentioning in this video is called YouTube. Yes, YouTube is now a big platform for people to really earn a lot. So it's not more like you have to be a skit maker or you have to be a comedian or you have to be a gamer for you to actually earn on YouTube. So YouTube is so big right now, like there's nothing you can actually share on YouTube that people want to watch, as long as what you're actually sharing is actually relevant. You see the likes of Mr. Beast, who just recently clocked 300 million subscribers. That is a lot. He's the highest YouTuber right now, and you know how many views this guy, how many views his video gets. He can upload the video and the video is getting 160 billion, 150 million. But I'm not telling you that you should aim when you're starting to be like Mr. B. Of course, you can also try. I'm not a big YouTuber myself. I'll be clocking maybe 7,000 subscribers this week or next week. But it doesn't matter. I can still actually earn with this little subscriber. I can still earn from it. So every month, I'm getting a certain amount of money which YouTube is paying me. So if you actually have something you want to share with the world, it can be educational content, it can be how to do this, it can be cooking, you can just actually, it can be hair, it can be makeup, it can be you as a nurse, or what you even do day to day at your workplace. You can actually share that and people are just going to be watching it, and guess what, you are going to be making money from this while you are also doing your work. So these guys which I've actually mentioned, someone like Mr. Biggs or Mr. Wizboss or Marcus Brownie, which I mentioned, these guys, they already made YouTube their full-time job. Yes, this is their full-time job. They don't have any other job they are doing. But for me, actually, it's not my full-time job. I still have my job, which I do Monday to Friday. But while I'm doing that, I'm still able to record videos and also post videos. Yes, I can still record videos. I post video every Sunday, and then these videos I was able to shoot them maybe during the week. I did them during the week and also do the thumbnail, also write the script, because I have like 5 days for me or 6 days for me to prepare for this. Then on Sunday I'm going to be posting it. So it's like my side also is like something I do while I also do my main job, and I'm still earning for this. So the first side also which I'm bringing to you is YouTube. If you have anything you can share with the world, just do this, and then you are going to be earning a lot from YouTube, even more than 900, because even small YouTubers who have less than 10,000 subscribers, who have even 5,000 subscribers, they are earning a lot from YouTube, even just by posting once a week. So the second one which I'm going to be bringing to you is Game Tester. So you have probably seen some websites which are paying you just for you to test recent game. I'm going to be putting one of them in the description, the one you can see on your screen. I'm going to be linking it in the description, and then you can also check it out. So their website who are producing games, and before they actually publish this game, maybe to App Store, to Play Store, or maybe to any of your gaming consoles, wherever you have, they are actually looking for people to actually test this game. So these guys, they test the game, they review the game, they tell them what is lacking in the game, they tell them what needs to be improved in the game, and then the publisher will make changes before even the games are being published. So if you are someone who really loves to play games, their website where people are looking for people to test their games. You just play the games and give your honest opinion about the games, and then they're going to be paying you for this. Like I said, I'm going to be linking one in the description, and you can actually check it out. The third side also I'm going to be listing it. This one is kind of big, so I'm going to take my time to actually explain it to you. And it's the last one which I'm going to be talking about in this video. So if you are new to this channel, before I jump to the last one, we encourage you to like this video, subscribe to you. I'm going to be hitting 7,000 subscribers very soon, and I'm so happy that this has finally come. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Of course, I've not been like, okay, like every day posting video twice a week or something. It's just once a week. But don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button for you to come back and see another video. So the last one which I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to be talking about two of them actually. One is social media manager and YouTube jobs. Social media manager slash YouTube jobs. This is another site also in which you can actually try. You see this particular one or this particular two, because I actually listed two, but I just put them together. These two which I just talked about. Let's talk about social media manager. Social media manager is the fact that some organizations, some personnel, they're actually looking for people to manage their social media for them because they are too busy to actually do that. So they need someone to manage their Instagram account, their Facebook account, their whatever accounts, any social media platform. They just need someone to manage, control the posting, post regularly, check the replies, check the comments. They need people to do this for them, and they're actually paying them even more than 900 just to do this. So you just need to look for, you can write to organization and tell, okay, I can manage your social media account for you, and this is how much you charge, and this, because they are big and they don't even have time. Imagine a very big YouTuber. It doesn't have time to check his emails. It doesn't have time to check his comment section. But they also need people to reply them because they want to interact with their audience. So this is what they'll be paying you to do. So another one which I said slash YouTube job. So there are also YouTubers which they are actually looking for people to help them in their daily tasks. Tasks like editing videos, designing flyers, script writing. They are looking for people to do this for them because they can't do this. They shoot a lot of video and they don't even have time to edit them. So they need someone like you and me who have the skills to actually edit the video for them. And you can guess what, they're actually paying ridiculous money just for you to do this. Imagine a YouTuber who has 1 point something million subscribers looking for someone to edit his video. You know how much it's going to pay to you. But this comes down to your skills, if you have the skills, because YouTubers are actually looking for someone that has good editing skills. You know, there are ways in which you are going to edit a video and it's going to be so interactive and people are going to sit to the end of the video. So they are looking for people like this. They are not looking for someone who is just going to maybe how to do the color grading or something like that. No, it has to be able to at least do some interactive videos. Yeah, these are the kind of people they are looking for, and they are paying ridiculous amount of money for this. I'm going to be linking YT jobs in the description, so you can just click on it and check it out by yourself. And if you have any of these skills, you can just write any of the YouTubers and tell them, okay, I can do this, I can do this. And then you can also show them your past work. If you have a portfolio, you can show it to them. And while you are doing your full-time job, you can also do this. So I've mentioned three. I said I mentioned YouTube, I mentioned game testing, and I also mentioned social media manager and YouTube jobs. So I'm going to be giving you a bonus one. This is just for you. Aside from YouTube, there are other social media platforms that actually pays also. Recently, Facebook just launched their monetization in Nigeria. So if you have a Facebook accounts, you can actually also make money. You can actually they are making a lot of money. I know a YouTuber, I said YouTuber, sorry, I'm just used to YouTube. A Facebook, let's say whatever. I know someone on Facebook who has a Facebook page, and she is posting up to 10 videos in a day, and this video are getting more than 100,000 of views, and this lady is earning a lot of money on Facebook. So you don't need to actually do just Facebook alone. It can just be in YouTube alone. It can just be Facebook, or you can use Facebook as your site also. And this is actually great, I'm telling you, because Facebook is now paying a lot of money also. So if you can't do Facebook, you can also do TikTok, of course, can make short videos, and then you can also post it on Twitter, because TikTok also pays. And the surprising one that actually pays again is Twitter. Okay, it's called X right now. So Twitter also pays you just for you to tweet, and people interacting with your tweet. People are just commenting under your tweet, and Twitter is going to be paying you just for you to do this. People also earn money on Instagram. So it's not just YouTube, other social media platforms also work, but YouTube is constant and YouTube is tested and trusted. Yeah, so I mentioned Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. So you can also try any of these one as your side also. So I think I've dropped some good information for you in this video. So smash the like and the subscribe button. And this is where I am going to be ending the video until I catch you in the next one. My name is Akere Ebolowa. And if you have questions or if you need direction or guidance, just put it in the comment section. And I'm going to be sitting there waiting for you, answering all your questions. Until I catch you in the next one. Peace.